Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Blessed everyone, Dancehall skilla here again, manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, my people. So let me start off by presenting a video to you that shows some things that happened during what is believed to be a robbery. Now, I got the understanding that one of the reasons why the video is being talked about on social media is because the video shows when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone stopped, reversed, and went in the direction of where the incident happened, or where the person grabbed whatsoever the person grabbed from the person. Or I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. You see what I say? Yeah, I got the understanding from the video also that the video shows when a person forcefully took at least one thing from someone. Now, the reason why I said at least is because I'm not able to confirm what might have been inside of whatever the person forcefully take from the person. That is, if anything in it still. As you may notice me say if. But the video is being talked about on social media for more than one reason. So let's take a look at it, my people. It really and truly set away. Oh, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So there's the video, my people. What? See the motor vehicle, eh? Now, me I try to look and see certain things, because when me look at the video, I wonder, how many might have been inside of the motor vehicle, meaning person. You see me I say how many, me I wonder. Yeah, but me do get the understanding that the driver stop, reverse, and operate the motor vehicle to the direction of where that situation that is believed to be a robbery happened. Some comments made on social media about it that gave me the understanding that there are some persons who talk some good things about who's operating that motor vehicle. Yeah. Anyway, my people, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, let's take a look at another video, viewing subscribers. This next video I'm about to present to you had been brought to my attention by someone, and this video had been posted on social media for some time now. So I got the understanding that the video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between a person and at least one police officer. The police officer held on to the person, and in my point of view, the person was resisting. The person was saying harsh words, and the person was behaving certain ways, even when the police officer was holding on to the person, viewing subscribers. See? There was exchange of words between the person and the police officer until backup arrived, as some people might say. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video be recorded. Didn't get any confirmed information as to what caused the situation like that, but you can hear some words that have been said in the video. I'm going to take a look at it and get an understanding about it. Oh, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe, and you can also tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong.
Yeah, whole bus load of people here. Watch me.
So make sure this is Facebook. This is not on Facebook. I'm just recording. It's not Facebook.
Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Alliance camera.
So what you charge the thing for? So what you charge the thing for? If you take the man to the bus and get the government to why you see all the people are back to that one? Watch me, relax now. Relax now. Watch me. That's squeeze my hand. That's squeeze my hand. Watch me. That's squeeze my hand, boy. Boy, that's squeeze my mother hand, boy. That's squeeze my hand. Kim, stop for me. I don't bet the water. What tell us why you do that game? What kind of wrong thing is that? You're wrong, boss. Take the king of man, boss. I'm pulling the thing on me, boss. You should have hit me. And I'm still saying to the should me. Yeah, no, give me the pedal in. I don't pedal in. I do pedal in.
Listen.
You're telling me?
He's a wicked man, boy.
Yeah, he's an officer.
Yo! But I'm a wicked man, boy. Yeah, but Kim. What? Hey, officer, around the man. What?
You can't do that. Hey, you can't do that.
Yeah, you can't do the man that man was the boss, I can't do the guy that.
Let's show up. And he's showing up. But my man is watch me, boy. Hey, boy. We gotta do something for the killer, boy.
How are we going to go?
Boss, my man is yeah, but my man come to killer, boy. You stupid boy. Take
How are we going to go?
my man is stupid boy. What? Get fire, boy. Get up, boy. Watch me. I'm standing up on the front for them. I'm standing up.
You know, we really and truly, I try to figure out certain things. Alright, so law enforcers arrive at the scene. See? One person may notice someone to do certain things during the situation and so forth. You understand me? I wonder who's that person. I notice me see a person go so, like the person pushed. You know, I wonder, you know, at this part. You see? The push. Who's that person? But overall still though, I think it is more than obvious that the person what been held on to by the police, you know, is like something went wrong and that person had held on to by the police. But what the person had done totally is not confirmed to my knowledge, even though you can hear some words saying at the video. And the way how the person behave as well too is another thing again, because listen, even if the person, and listen what I'm saying now, even if the person might not be at certain fault, I bet you comply. And if you have complaint, you make the complaint after, but certain things can get in trouble with the law, even if you was not in any trouble at all. You have to be careful. But let me know what you think about the situation there, my people. If you're new to my channel, yeah, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, here's a video that shows a motor vehicle in a very dangerous position. I didn't get the confirmed information as to how the motor vehicle ended up in such a position. I didn't even get a confirmed information as to exactly when and where that incident might have happened. But I do got the understanding that the video shows a motor vehicle in a position where the rear of the motor vehicle was touching part of a structure and the front of the motor vehicle was touching part of a structure, and you can actually see that the middle part of the motor vehicle was set a certain way. My people, one thing that I'm really concerned about is if everyone within the area where that incident happened is okay viewing subscribers. So may I say, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that. However, I'm wondering how that happened. Your guess is as good as mine. So if you can tell me how you think something like that might have happened, you tell me, you know. I can assume. But then again, sometimes I might assume this and it might not be accurate. But tell me what you think about the situation, them people. Oh, and please, be very careful. Be very careful to each and every motorist. So I say, remember, if you park your motor vehicle, drop the handbrake. When they're at certain places, take your time and operate the motor vehicle. Be very careful. Well, my people, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Manners and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?